So I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 40. In a period of unemployment and falling prices, government should adopt a zero-based budget, B, budget deficit, C, balanced budget, D, surplus budget. So we are looking at what happens, what adjustments a government should make in terms of budget in a period of unemployment and falling prices. So basically, in a period where the economy is not at its strongest point, what type of budget, what form of budget should a government adopt? Now, A says zero-based budget. Now, zero-based budget is a method of budgeting. Zero-based budget is a method of budgeting in which all expenses must be justified and approved for each period. Now for option B, which is budget deficit is basically a term used to describe when expenses of a country or an organization, as the case may be, when expenses exceeds revenue. So in that scenario, what presents itself is known as budget deficit. Now for option C, which is balanced budget. Now in a balanced budget occurs when revenue equals expenditure. So when the same amount of money is spent on expenditure and is obtained as revenue, that creates what is called a balanced budget. Now option D is surplus budget. Surplus budget occurs when income or revenue is greater than expenditure. Now, the question to ask here is, which of these budget methods will be useful in a period where the economy is poor? The most useful will be zero-based budget, where accounts of all expenditure and all expenses are justified and approved before anything progresses. This zero-based budget will help check and sustain the government and the nation entirely in this period of unemployment and falling prices. Hence, the correct answer is A, zero-based budget. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.